Hello, this video will introduce you to our new plugin Guten Post Layout. You can customize the views of your posts on your page or post just by clicking a few options. You don't have to know any sort of programming. To install Guten Post Layout from WordPress dashboard, go to Plugin and click Install New. Search Guten Post Layout, click Install and activate it. Using Guten Post Layout is pretty easy. Type a / and start typing Guten Post Layout. You will see the Guten Post Layout block. Select it and all the latest 5 posts will be displayed. You can also change how your posts will be shown, if it will be full width or wide width. You can increase or decrease the number of posts from the query settings, number of items. You can also do the query by the types of posts, order by, and category. From the additional settings, you can check or uncheck the featured image visibility, display post author or not, and the date toggle. You can also change the text of the Read More button or even hide the button. From the layout settings, you can change the column gaps as you like. There are 3 skins you can choose from the layout settings. For the skin 2 and skin 3, you have all the other options too. If you need to change the image size, you can do it from the additional settings. Changing the number of columns is also possible from the layout settings. If you use skin 3, make sure all the posts you want to show has the same length for the excerpts. You can hide the excerpts if you want. All the grids will be in the same size if you use the same sized image and the same length of the post title. You can also choose the list view for any of the skin. There is another feature for our Guten Post Layout plugin. You can make a slider out of your post. All you need to do is select the slider option. You can change the navigation type to dots, arrows, or none. The slider works with the other skins too. The block titles can be aligned to the left, center, or the right. Column gapping on the slider option is also possible. You can make your own layout without a single line of code. So why not give the Guten Post Layout a try? The awesome part is, Guten Post Layout is completely free. You can find the download link on the description. If you want to try the plugin without installing, you can do that as well. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestion regarding the plugin, you can shoot your comment on the comment box below. We would love to reply to your queries.